middle school, I was really nervous about changing classes because in elementary school you don't go from class to class. And so that was something I was definitely worried about, as well as the fact that I have social anxiety. So I'm afraid of large groups, and I know that middle school can be kind of hectic sometimes.
Two things that I was nervous about was meeting new people. I felt kind of nervous about going to a new school with a bunch of new people that I have not met before.
Like being late to class, and like if I was late to class, what would I miss, and like how much homework would there be, and like would I be like stressed out too much or like too little, or would I be like too good in the class, or like would I be not as smart as the other kids?
I felt like I was ready to date people and to like just meet new friends. I was ready for a challenge because I thought elementary was really easy for me.
Like you have different teachers, but in elementary, like you only have one teacher and one expectation for that one teacher. But in middle school, you get all these different teachers that have different expectations.
One thing I was nervous about in middle school was fitting in with others and opening my locker.
Two things I worried about most were probably my grades and how people would like be, and like how they would treat me throughout the time I go through middle school.
When I first started school, my biggest issue was like not getting along. Just being that one kid that no one likes.
I was scared I wouldn't know anybody and I wouldn't have any friends.